Hi, I'm Justin and welcome to my gig. If you're here right now, you're probably having an issue with the spreadsheet. I'm willing to bet that you might have worked with someone in the past and maybe the solutions weren't so great, or maybe you're just sitting in front of your computer right now and you don't even know where to begin. In any event, I'm going to be able to help you out. I'm the director of management reporting for a billion-dollar corporation. I've been doing this for almost 20 years and I've crafted a ton of different solutions. I'm an IBM licensed developer and I have a team of people working for me, but that's not exactly what I'm doing here right now. I created this gig because I'm willing to bet that I'm going to be able to craft a solution for you in an hour or less. So, how does that work? Well, first, I need you to submit as much information as you possibly can about the solution that you're trying to get. Second, I need you to book some time on my calendar. During that time, I'm going to solve your issue live. If you would like to show up, you can. If you don't want to show up, that's fine too. I'm going to send the solution and the video to you at the end of the project. If you're not happy with the solution, then I'm going to ask you for some more time at no charge to you. If you don't want to do that, then I'm going to issue you a refund. It's that simple. Hopefully, you're interested and you booked this gig. If you have any questions, shoot me a message.